In this video lesson, I will show you how to use Boom 500 Pip Calculator to calculate the value of a pip and also a value of a stop loss and the take profit on orders you can open inside the trading platform. I will use MetaTrader 5 with the Derek broker, which has all synthetic indices available. I will show you also this pip value table where we have all the synthetic indices and also their values for the contract size, volume size and also the pip value. For the Boom 500 you can see these are the values defined by the broker, which is a Derek one, and the minimum volume is 0.2 and the maximum one is 50. The pip value would be equal to $0.001. Inside this PDF you will also have other values where you can see the pip value formula and how to calculate it, and also other examples with the pip calculator. I will leave a link below in the description, and also I will leave a link for this pip calculator below. Let's see how this, just a minute, Boom 500, how this pip calculator works. When you open a link, you will have on the top the pip value in US dollar. When you click calculate, you get the value here. Below that you have a symbol where you have a drop down menu where you can select any of these synthetic indices. When you click one of them, the pip calculator will automatically populate these fields with predefined values for the contract size and also for the point value. In this case, for the volume I will leave one, which is one standard lot. You can change this value and you will see how the volume or lot size affects the value of a stop loss and take profit, and also on the pip value. Below that you have a contract size, which is predefined by the broker. In our case, this is Derek broker, which has set for the Boom 500 index contract size as 1. If you change this value during the calculation, you will get incorrect values for the pip. So when you have defined this by the broker, you do not change that. Then you have a point value, which is 0.001 for Boom 500. This means that the 1 pip is equal to 0.001 price change. When you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 3740.981, for example. When the price change by 0.001, the last decimal point, this will mean that the price has changed by 1 pip. And also the value for a 1 pip when you click calculate is equal to $0. If we would get here 3 decimal points, we would have 0.001 US dollar. But we have here the pip calculator to set to 2 decimal points, so we do not have the third one, so the pip value for this one is 0. Below that you have entry price, stop loss, take profit fields where you can enter them here to calculate the stop loss difference and the take profit difference. Let me show you an example. For example, let's open an order with the current market price where we are expecting that the price would go up, and we put stop loss here. We put take profit, for example, here. So we are expecting the price will reach this price level. If it goes against us, it will close with a loss here. Let's put these values here. So the entry price would be 3739.582, stop loss would be 3728.260, and the take profit would be 3769.955. Click calculate, you get the value for the stop loss and the take profit. To calculate how much the stop loss would be in US dollars, simply copy this value and put it here. Click calculate, and you would get that the stop loss would be equal to $11.32. Take profit would be, copy paste this one, $30.37. If you are okay with that, simply go here and open a new order. Put the volume as 1 because we have that calculated in our calculation. Put a stop loss level here, take profit here, and click buy because we are expecting that the price will go up. This means buy by the market. And new order has been opened. Let's put this entry price, which is slightly different than this one, 3739.107. Click calculate, and here it is the new value. Let's copy this one for the stop loss, click calculate, and we get that the stop loss would be equal to 10.85. Now let's go to the chart and see, are these values the same? Remove these horizontal lines so we can see the stop loss and the take profit. Put your mouse over this one, and we can see that it is stop loss set to minus 10.85. It is the same value that we got here inside the Pip Calculator. Let's see for the take profit. Copy paste this one here, click calculate, 30.85. Let's go here to the chart, 30.85. It is the same value that we got here inside the Pip Calculator. So before opening an order, we can calculate the stop loss and the take profit in US dollars. If you are satisfied with that, you can make a proper risk management and also proper calculation before opening an order with the Boom 500 index. But what happens if you are not satisfied with these values? For example, maybe you would like to get 10 times more these values. Okay, if you want to do that, simply change the volume. So the minimum volume is 0.2 and the maximum one was how much? Boom 500, it was 50. So you can increase this volume up to 50. So if you put here the maximum one, you would get that this take profit would be equal to 1,500 and the stop loss would be equal to 542. So for example, if you would like to put the stop loss equal to close to 100, then you would need to divide the volume by 10, set it to 5, and you would get, for example, 54. So if you would like to get to close to 100, simply multiply with 2, that would be, 10, this would get 108.47. So the volume would be equal to 10. Let's open new order with the similar prices, so we get the stop loss close to 100. The entry price would be here. Then the stop loss, for example, we could put here, and take profit we could put here. Let's enter these values here. 3737.989. Stop loss would be 3772.735 and the take profit would be 3673.501. Click calculate. So the stop loss would be 34.746. Let's copy this one here. Click calculate. Okay, stop loss would be 347. To get this value close to 100, we would divide by 3, for example. And let's put this one divided by 3, it is 3.33. Click calculate. It is close to 100, it is 115. So if we put here 3.3, small difference. If we put here 3.0, it is close to 100. So the volume would be equal to 3. The take profit would be equal to 193. So if you are okay with this calculation, you can simply go here, open new order, set the volume to 3 and put here a stop loss and the take profit. And then click sell because you're expecting the price will drop down. So now let's remove these horizontal lines and put the new entry price, which is 3740.396. Click calculate. We have new value for the stop loss. Copy this one here. Click calculate. So the stop loss would be $97.02. Now let's see if we have correct calculation. Here it is, 97.02. It is the same value we got here. Great. Now let's see for the take profit. 269. Let's put this one here. 200.69. It is the same value. So you can see you can use Boom 500 Pip Calculator to calculate the correct stop loss take profit in US dollars before opening a new order. This way you can also manipulate with the volume by changing the volume here inside the Pip Calculator and entering that inside open new order window. This way you can be prepared before opening a new order and use a proper risk management by defining the correct stop loss and also take profit. If you have any questions regarding this Pip Calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to make a new video by answering your question. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!